Cheating app for married and attached. Safe, secure and anonymous. Why use a cheating app? Saved my marriage. Victoria Milan saved my marriage. Now I have a fantastic sex life and a loving, caring and happy life with my lovely husband. Cheryl, 39, Seattle. Safe and secure. Security and safety are #1 at Victoria Milan. Our crackerjack team of expert computer security specialists have created a system that even governments would be envious of. Verified users. Each user is verified through Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, or elsewhere, ensuring that each person is authentic. Real profiles. Real people means real profiles. Connecting real people for over 10 years, established with the integrity that you would expect from the highest quality sites. Missing attention and excitement. After joining Victoria Milan, I got a new lease on life and I'm loving every minute of it. Everything is perfect now. Thanks Victoria Milan. Daniel, 45, New York. World's #1 cheating app for married and attached. Safe, secure and anonymous. Thousands of married and attached cheating tonight. Sign up for free. Try 100% free and anonymously.